Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing our problem solving series in sequence and series, here I came up with the 17th question written on the screen. What is the problem statement given to us? In a geometric sequence, the first term is given by a, first term is a, and the common ratio is r. Sn denotes the sum of n terms, and un is n is equal to 1 to n of Sn. Then Rsn plus 1 minus r un is asked to us. So first and foremost thing, I'll be going to compute the value of un written over here, that is summation n is equal to 1 to n of Sn given to us. That means they mean S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 goes on up to Sn is written over here, and we'll be going to write it like a plus a times of 1 minus r square divided by 1 minus r, it will be plus a times of 1 minus r cube divided by 1 minus r, it will be plus a times of 1 minus r power 4 divided by 1 minus r, it will be, and the Sn value will be written by me as a times of 1 minus r to the power n minus 1 upon r, it will be. Now proceeding further, what will be done by us? Let's write the first thing as a times of 1 minus r upon 1 minus r. Then the next thing as a times of 1 minus r square divided by 1 minus r. And the next thing as a times of 1 minus r cube divided by 1 minus r. Then the next thing as a times of 1 minus r power 4 divided by 1 minus r. Goes on up to a times of 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, it will be. Now guys, what we may see, a upon 1 minus r can be taken common by me. So we'll be having what? 1 written for n times, that will be generating n. R plus r square plus r power 3 goes on up to r to the power n will be generated over here, and that's an GP. Okay, that's a GP. And we know how to sum up the GP. So it will be becoming what? A upon 1 minus r multiplied by n minus r into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, because we have n terms in that GP. This is the value of un we have derived over here. Hope you guys would have understood my point. And what is given to us? 1 minus r times of un, Rsn. Rsn plus 1 minus r times of un is given to us. Its value is asked to us. So Rsn will be becoming what? R times of a into 1 r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 plus 1 minus r multiplied by a upon 1 minus r n multiplied by n minus r multiplied by r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Now let's move ahead and see what all things are getting cancelled over here. So 1 minus r and 1 minus r will be gone. So we'll be remaining up with ar multiplied by r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1 we have, plus an minus ar multiplied by r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1 we have. So this whole thing will be going to get cancelled with this whole thing, and will be remaining up with an only or na only. So an or na will be the final answer for this question. That means option A should be marked by us. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching my dear students.